Hello there, Tom here, Middlebury Chevrolet. You join me with stock number CC119S 2021 Chevrolet Bolt EV. Comfort and convenience package, DC fast charging. This one comes with the black bow tie package too. You can see on the front there, instead of the traditional gold, you get the black, and that is on the back too. Dark galvanized cloth interior. Plenty of rebates to purchase or lease. Extra money coming from the state of Vermont if you qualify. And if you're a Green Mountain Power customer, guess what? Another $1,500 in rebates and a free level 2 charger worth $600. Middlebury Chevrolet, 802-382-2200.